Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create application forms in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have the Omni Studio package. And basically to have it, you will need just to start searching for the Omni Studio in Salesforce. You can simply check for Omni Studio Salesforce and then you will be able to start having all the releases for Omni Studio. So, for example, we can go to this page, and from there, let's just releases, and here we can find our Salesforce releases or Omni Studio releases, and then you will need just to choose any release that you would like for your organization, and then you will be able to add it to your organization. So after that, we will be needing to start building application for from Omni Studio. So as you can see, after having your Omni Studio data pack, you will need just to go and search for resources. And then you will find the static resources. And after that, you will choose the admission connect application forms. And then you will start saving the link. Then we can start creating our forms in Omni Studio. So basically, you will need to import and select the file that you downloaded from here, and then you click next, next, etc. And then you can be able to start activate your importations. So now you can deselect this form, and after now you can start activating the OmniScript for your application form. So now you can be able to start creating OmniScripts for your application. So you can simply go to your Omni Studio, go to the menu, and start creating new OmniScripts. So basically now you can start adding all information about your OmniScript, and then you will need to add the OmniScript to your application portal. So now you will need just to go to all side, then go to the builder and application, and from the builder you will need to add your form or application, and then you can start publishing or publishing your site. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.